Hi everyone. In this video we will see the first Indian artist. Hope you enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. The first Indian artists. What is art? The expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, or producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. There are two types of art. One is performing arts and the other is visual arts. Performing arts, forms of art in which artists use their voices, bodies or inanimate objects to convey artistic expression. Visual art is of two types. Fine arts, art developed primarily for aesthetic or beauty rather than physical utility. Applied arts, applied art refers to the application of artistic design to utilitarian objects in everyday use. Now we are going to see about Yakshas, also known as kings of Yakshas. They were the first artists of India. The Bhimbetka rock shelters. The Bhimbetka rock shelters exhibit the earliest traces of human life in India. Some of the rock shelters are around 30,000 years old. The artists recorded scenes from the everyday lives of the people who lived in the rock shelters, for example, hunting, cooking, eating, and drinking. Evidences and mythology proves that earliest artists who created this great artistic masterpiece were essentially non-Vedic, non-Ashuric tribes called Yakshas, who come under the big family of Rakshasas. The paintings are mainly red and white, with occasional use of green and yellow. Animals like deer, bison, elephant, dogs, tiger, lizards, antelopes are widely noticed in the paintings. The painting of a man being hunted by a horned boar. It is to alert the people on the threat from animal. It is a known fact that horses, acres, kabalas are not fauna of India. Therefore, it is very unlikely that the tribes dwelling in and around that area knows horse riding. The painting of attacking soldiers with spears on horses clearly is to alert the tribal group on invaders. This is a painting of attackers with bow and arrow. Elephants seen in the paintings. Herd of animals dancing in an aligned manner. Designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2003. The caves are located in Madhya Pradesh. It could be noted that there is no evidence of Vedic worship practice in these paintings. So far, nowhere in the globe the paintings of prehistoric period depicting Vedic way of life have been discovered. It could also be inferred that the Vedic tribes might not know the art of painting at all. It is also evident that none of the four Vedas were originally in written form. The language spoken by Vedic tribes might not have possessed lipi or scripts. That is why the Vedas passed on from generation to generation through recitation. Therefore, these paintings may not be the creations of Vedic tribes. Later, Vedic tribes might have invaded this place and decimated the Yakshas. Reference could be drawn in mythology that Bhima II of Pandavas stayed in this place for some time, and therefore this place later came to be called as Bhimbetka. The forgotten science and art of Yakshas. The original name given earlier by the Yakshas, the makers of this painting, is not known. Upon slaughter by Vedic tribes and the defeat of Yakshas at the hands of Vedics, the Yakshas lost all their science, technology, art, and culture besides their identity. India as it exists today is an amalgamation of Vedics, Ashuric, Rakshasic, Yakshic, and many other ways of life. So reinventing identity of constituents of India is unwarranted and deplorable. In order to know the best practices of each one of them, the same need to be explored in an unbiased manner. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.